Ah, the life of a student. It's a thrilling roller coaster of adventure, late night study sessions, and an ever shrinking wallet. If you've ever found yourself bewitched by the magical powers of ramen noodles, this guide is just for you. First things first, budgeting. Yes, that intimidating B word. But fear not, for it doesn't have to be all doom and gloom. Imagine you're the captain of a ship, and your finances are your crew. They need direction, not rebellion. Start by creating a simple monthly budget. Break it down into needs like books and, sadly, rent, and wants like the all-important Netflix subscription and overly complicated coffee orders. Next, let's talk about food. Students are often seen as beings who survive on pizza and instant noodles. While this stereotype can feel all too true, let's jazz it up with a culinary twist. Learn to cook simple meals. It's not just a way to save money, but an impressive life skill that might impress someone special down the line. Plus, those microwave meals get dull fast. Another hot tip is the secondhand market. Textbooks are a notorious money pit. Embrace your inner detective, scour the secondhand shops, or try digital books. Not only do you save money, but you also get that warm, fuzzy feeling of being environmentally conscious. Part-time jobs are students' rites of passage. They bring extra cash and life lessons, plus they give you a legit reason to avoid that one extra study group session, because who needs another argument over group project roles? Now let's talk transport. Breaking news. Legs exist and are free. Walking or biking not only gets you places, it also qualifies as exercise, making you feel like you've accomplished something noble before noon. When a bike or walk won't cut it, public transport is your thrifty friend. Goodbye cab fares. Lastly, find discounts. Student discounts are everywhere if you know where to look. Keep your student ID handy. Sometimes having one feels like holding a golden ticket. And there you have it. While being a student can lead to a bottomless pit of spending opportunities, with these strategies, you can master the art of saving money and still live, somewhat luxuriously. Remember, it's all about strategy, maybe a little bit of patience, and refraining from that third bubble tea.